Alright, today I'm going to show how to access the workshop menu on a 2025 and up Mercedes Sprinter with this steering wheel configuration. I'm a huge fan of how this looks. Not quite sure how I feel about the swiping feature on the pad here yet, but overall looks really nice. 2025s, they have added a heated steering wheel if you didn't know that. So first thing you're going to do to get into the workshop menu, it is a little bit different, but you're going to hold the home button for 5 seconds, at least 5 seconds is what the instruction says, and then release, and within 1 second press and hold the OK button for 3 seconds and the menu will pop up. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. It has been quite tricky, so I'm not going to lie, I have somehow missed the mark like 4 times trying this the first couple times. So we'll get right into it. Get in, close the door, go to key position 1. Want to be on the trip screen like this, so trip and mileage. Press and hold the home button for a minimum of 5 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll go 6 just to be on the safe side. There you go, press and hold the OK button. As you can see there, we have the assist menu now. Same stuff as all the other 2019 and ups. The process of getting into the workshop menu is just a little bit different, but you have all your vehicle data in that screen. If you have to access brake pad replacement mode for the rear brakes, if you have an electronic parking brake, that's how you access that here. The assist menu to reset your service reminder, A service, B service, whatever it is. So yeah, not too difficult, but it is a little bit different. This van is actually really nice. Got the digital full-time rearview mirror. I've been a pretty big fan of that. The backup camera on this one is actually really nice. Good clear view. You can go into a pretty wide field of view like that, where you can literally see like straight left and right of both, or all the way out the back of your van. So I'm a huge fan of that. They have made some nice changes to the 25s. So yeah, that's how you access the assist menu or workshop menu on the 2025 and up. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment any suggestions you have down below. Buster, it looks quite nice. You want to be on the trip screen, like so. The difference is you're going to hold the home button for at least 5 seconds according to the instructions, release, and then within 1 second, press and hold the OK button for 3 seconds. So we'll do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, press and hold. Let's see, I might have waited too long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.